Hello everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the running belt that I found on Amazon. It's replacing this running belt that I got. It's using Velcro, and that's why I prefer running belts that are using Velcro, so you can adjust the length and it won't be loose. The Velcro is pretty strong. Now this company, ESR, they were no longer selling that running belt. But I managed to find another company that actually sells exactly the same one. Put a link in the description. Decided to go with the grey color. As you can see, it's got the 3 pockets. It's also got the reflective film on the zipper. On the old one, the film just peeled off. So this is the large pocket. It's got the holes for the e-plugs. And it's got the other small pocket, and this is the Velcro. Still pretty good to have the Velcro, and this is the one out of all the running belts I've had. This is the one that I prefer. As you can see, it's pretty tight. Going to show you putting a phone in there. I'm going to put the large one in this pocket. I'll put a key in the other smaller pockets and some tissues just in case.